Welcome to Quiz Genius time. Can you guess NATO 31 countries' flags in just 3 seconds? One correct answer equals 1 point. Let's get started. Belgium, North Macedonia, Netherlands, United States, Croatia, Poland, Czechia, France, Turkey, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Denmark, Montenegro, Norway, Portugal, Germany, Spain, Italy, Slovakia, Luxembourg, Romania, Estonia, Bulgaria, Lithuania, Latvia, Slovenia, Canada, Finland, United Kingdom, Albania. You may explore our channel for more quizzes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your points in the comments below. Thank you for being with us.